Hey everyone, Wayne here from Zenatta. In this tutorial, it's a quick one, but a frequently asked question I get from a lot of clients on how to automate an internal notification based on an email action inside Zoho campaigns. Before I jump into the tutorial though, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into a few ways that I find are the best practices on setting up an internal notification when using Zoho campaigns. So the most common way that people send campaigns are either a solo campaign through this campaigns section right here, or a workflow. So I'm going to go ahead and cover both in a few ways. You can achieve different ways of setting up internal notifications and why you might choose some of these paths. So let's go ahead and create a campaign, just a regular email campaign, application. And I'm going to go ahead and skip setting up all of the content because it's not really relevant for this tutorial. So what we want to do is click on the advanced options. And then when we open that up under response actions down here, we will go ahead and configure a response action. So here we can go ahead, if we had an email set up, you could choose a specific link. You can do an email click or email open. The most commonly used are going to be either email clicked or a specific link to trigger an action. For this tutorial, we'll just go ahead and choose email click, and we'll select an action. From here, we can add it to a list, assign a tag, remove a tag, and add it to a workflow. Workflow and list are going to be your most common, but of course you can always use tags if you prefer using a tagging system. For this example, I'm going to jump and use a list and show you how that works, and because we're going to go ahead and cover workflows here in a second. So let's go ahead and add this to a list. And I don't have a list here that represents what I'm trying to accomplish, so you can go ahead and create a new list directly from here. And we'll call this campaign click. Now we have a list that identifies why people are in that list. So let's go ahead and save this. And now if we go over to our contacts, we can see that we have a list set up here for showed interest. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set up a workflow. So the first workflow we're going to set up, I'm going to review, is download notification and so the first workflow I'm going to set up is to send out an internal notification based on the email click. So what we have here is a workflow, and most commonly in workflows, we have enter segment and list entry. So on this one, we're going to go ahead and use list entry. And now we can go ahead and choose our showed interest in campaign. And we can go ahead and set it where maybe we only want new people who've entered this list to trigger this workflow, or everyone that's already in this list. So we'll go ahead and save. Most likely though, you're going to want to set it to just everyone new. Next, we'll set up an internal notification. Call it actually interest. And notify the owner of the record. And just in case there isn't a record owner, we can go ahead and assign it to default email. And what we can do here is craft a simple message. And using Control M, we can go ahead and use some merge tags to identify who just showed interest. You can use some custom merge tags too if you notice. Very, very limited options here for this internal notification, unlike CRM where you can kind of get crafty to alert, but it's kind of what you have to work with here. So unfortunately, the sales team will have to, pull up their email, but it lets them know that, hey, this person just clicked on an email and showed interest in the campaign. this thingy happening. Okay, so now we have our internal notification message set up. And now what we've went ahead and done is we've created a system that every single time we send this email, let's say if we cloned it, the internal notification based on this response we have set up, they're getting added to this list. And then from this list, they're being put into this workflow, and then an internal notification is being sent out. So that's one way to accomplish it. Now, more generic catch-all way that is more commonly used to set up these internal notifications, because generally, if you're sending out emails, you'll probably want everyone to, be notified on a click. So we'll set up one to catch all of them. To do that, we'll just go ahead and create another workflow here. And what we'll do is, rather than using a list or a segment, we can go ahead and do email action. But remember how I also mentioned tags? If tags were assigned or removed, that would be another action you could go ahead to do to set up an internal notification. But on an email action, you've got some cool options to choose, a specific email campaign like the one we just set up. We could go ahead and say if they clicked on any link. But we can also jump in and choose any email campaign where they clicked on a link. So any link clicked on any email campaign we sent out, we'll go ahead and get a notification. So another thing too is maybe you have workflows, which I won't get too much into because the concept is the same here in this video. But you could also choose a specific workflow and emails within that workflow to send a notification internally if they click. But usually though, within the workflows, if you want notifications to go out, you're going to oftentimes just build those out directly inside the workflow. So this is more for just the solo campaigns. So this second method here is probably going to be your most common, set it up once and be done for notifications. And what we'll go ahead and do is we'll trigger an action and we will go ahead and set up our internal notification. There we are. Internal notification. And just like we did before, you would fill out the subject, same process with the email, and then craft your message letting your sales team know that someone just showed interest in a campaign. They will have to do some digging, and we can do a quick little training. You could simply have them also come into campaigns if they had access and use the search function to drop in the email and then follow the path to see which email they clicked on. There's also with analytics, some custom workflows that can be set up inside of CRM to build that out, but it's a little bit more complicated for this video. But yeah, that is essentially how you can accomplish a couple different ways of setting up all-click internal notifications, or just internal notifications, I should say, based on email action. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button below. That wraps up this tip. We hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and we'll do our best to answer them on the next episode of Azaz Ask Zenatta Anything About Zoho. Till next time, have a great day.